You've probably seen this channel called Fern popping up all over YouTube. It's absolutely blowing up right now, pulling in millions of views with what looks like the simplest formula ever. The magic? They're posting real stories, emotional, dramatic, gripping, true stories, brought to life with 3D animations and mixed with just enough real footage to make it feel legit. And here's the crazy part. Fern isn't alone. Dozens of new creators are already copying this exact style, and they're cashing in big time. I'm talking about brand new channels with just a handful of uploads, already breaking into the millions of views. One guy, he got nearly 1 million views with only 3 videos, and one of those was uploaded less than 2 weeks ago. That's insane. Now here's the kicker. These aren't massive studios with teams of editors and animators. Nope, these are small, scrappy creators, people just like you and me who figured out the formula. And their channels, they're basically money printing machines. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a 3D animation expert or some kind of Hollywood filmmaker. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these kinds of videos using only AI. From coming up with the idea, to generating all the visuals, to finishing a ready-to-post video. And not just that, I'll show you how to automate the entire process using a tool called Katalist AI, so you don't have to sit there generating one scene at a time. So if you're ready to learn this step by step, and maybe even start your own viral channel, hit that subscribe button right now, and let's dive in. Step 1. Finding the perfect video idea. All right, so the very first thing we need is a killer video idea. Here's what you do. Grab the first prompt I've dropped in the description and paste it straight into ChatGPT. That prompt is designed to give you content ideas inspired by true stories. Think about it. True stories already come pre-packaged with drama, tension, and emotion. All we're doing is reshaping them into something binge-worthy. Now, if you want to step it up, don't just rely on the prompt. Dig deeper. Look at official sources, documentary-style YouTube channels, history websites, even news archives. That's where you'll find authentic stories with enough substance to build an engaging video around. Once ChatGPT gives you a batch of ideas, read through carefully. Ask yourself, which one feels the most viral? Which story instantly makes me curious? Which would I click on if it popped up on my feed? That's the one you run with. Step 2, writing the story and creating the voiceover. Now that we've locked in our idea, it's time to turn it into a full story. Go back to ChatGPT, but this time use the second prompt I've dropped in the description. That prompt is designed to take your idea and expand it into a complete scene-by-scene script. Insert your video idea, then hit enter. Here's the trick though. Don't just rely on generic outputs. If you have official references, like historical articles, documentaries, or even real interviews, feed them into ChatGPT before you generate the script. This makes your story way more authentic and adds that extra punch viewers love. Once you've got your script, the next step is to give it a voice, literally. For that, we're going to use a tool called ElevenLabs, and the best part, they give you free credits every month, so you don't even have to spend money to get started. Here's how simple it is. Paste your script into the text-to-speech box, pick a voice you like, and hit generate. Boom! Now you've got a professional-sounding voiceover that makes your story come alive. And honestly, it sounds so natural, most viewers won't even realize it's AI. Step 3, building the storyboard and visuals. Okay, so we've got our story and voiceover locked in. Now it's time for the part that actually hooks people, the visuals. Here's how we do it. Paste in ChatGPT the next prompt I've given you in the description. That prompt will generate a detailed storyboard for your story. Then put the full script of your story in the same prompt box. Think of it like a director's shot list. It tells you exactly what kind of scenes you need for each part of your video. Now comes the real game changer, Katalist AI. This is hands down the best tool I've found for automating your visuals. Go to the link in the description, sign up for an account. You'll see different templates to start with. But for this, click here and create a new project. Then select generate from idea or script. At this point, you've got 2 choices. You could just throw in your topic and let Katalist figure it out for you. But if you want the highest quality results, click here and paste in the full detailed storyboard you just got from ChatGPT. That way, the AI knows exactly what to create scene by scene. Hit continue and watch as your story is broken down into professional-looking visual prompts. For format, I recommend going with cinematic and setting it to 16:9. Perfect for YouTube. Then create your project. And here's the part that blew me away the first time I tried it. Katalist doesn't just create random images, it actually generates your cast of characters. You can tweak their appearance, change details, or even upload a real photo of the person your story's about. That way, every single scene stays consistent, which is exactly what you need for documentary-style videos. Once your characters are locked in, hit generate all, and boom. In just a few moments, you'll see your story taking shape right in front of your eyes. Katalist will give you an entire set of HD quality scenes for your story. If you want to create your own 3D animations, just like the ones I used, head over to ChatGPT and check out a custom GPT called Documentary Style 3D Image Generator. With it, you can instantly build out your entire storyboard without doing it manually. And if something feels a little off, no problem. You can edit individual images with simple text instructions, and the AI will fix it in seconds. Let's say the AI gave you an image that doesn't quite fit, like the wrong flag or an off detail. No worries. Just select the images and tell the AI assistant what you want fixed. Something like, replace the background flag with a Soviet flag, hit enter, and within seconds you'll have the corrected image. It's honestly like having a designer on standby 24/7. But here's the real power move. You've got full control of your storyboard. Want to swap a character, change a location, or tweak a detail? Just tell the AI exactly what you want and it'll update it instantly. And here's where it gets even cooler. If you want to turn a single scene into a video, just open the image you want, hit the video tab at the top, pick any generator model you like, and give it a short action prompt, like a camera pan or zoom. Click generate, and boom, your still image is now fully animated. And if you're ready to go big, you can animate your entire storyboard at once. Head into the timeline section, hit generate all, choose your model, and watch as every single scene comes to life as a full video. Once you're happy with everything, you can generate it as a video and download them as a zip file with each scene in perfect order. That flexibility means you can keep things simple or go full custom in editing. Now let's move to CapCut. I've already downloaded all the scenes as a zip file and extracted them, just like you see here. Now all you've got to do is select everything, drag it straight into your CapCut project, and boom, you're ready to start editing. Import all your AI-generated scenes into the timeline. Here's where you want to spice things up. Don't just rely on AI visuals alone. Mix in some real footage and authentic images from the actual story to give your video more weight and credibility. Lay your voiceover on top of it, then start adding video effects, smooth transitions, and cinematic sound effects to keep viewers locked in. The difference is in the details. A few atmospheric sounds here, a subtle zoom effect there. It makes your video look and feel like a professional production. And once you're satisfied, hit export and boom, you've got a fully finished, ready to upload video.
It is just after midnight on April 26, 1986. Deep inside Reactor 4 of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, a test meant to prove safety is about to unleash the opposite. Control room operators, some barely in their 20s, are ordered to push the reactor past safe limits. The graphite-tipped rods jam. The reactor begins to vibrate. Gauges swing violently. At 1:23 a.m., a deafening blast rips through the concrete shell, sending a column of fire into the night sky. A second explosion follows, hotter than molten steel, blowing the roof apart and igniting radioactive graphite that burns like a furnace. In Pripyat,
At this point, all that's left is to upload it to YouTube, write a compelling title and description, and let the algorithm do its thing. If you've followed the steps, you now have a video that not only looks professional, but also has the exact same viral DNA as channels like Fern. Go try Katalist AI for yourself. It's the tool that makes this entire process possible. And once you use it, you'll realize how insanely easy it is to create videos just like these. And hey, if this tutorial helped you out, do me a favor. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and stick around because I've got way more tutorials on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.